Hey everyone, and welcome to ICO Investor. In this video, we'll be talking about the Primexbt platform. I'll be showing you some of its features and utilities, how to get started trading, and we'll take a look at its community. But before I get started, this video is not financial advice. This video is just for education and information purposes only. Now let's dive into it. So here is the Primexbt website. And just a quick reminder that the websites covered in this video will be in the link down in the description below. So make sure to go check them out over there. And yeah, they have a ton of different cryptocurrencies to trade from, like Bitcoin, the S&P 500, gold, euro, USD, and 100 plus more assets. So it's actually not just cryptocurrency, it's a total different variety of different assets that you can trade from. So they have a Primexbt trading platform as well. So we'll check that out a little bit later. Copy leading traders with covesting copy trading module. So new to trader, or if you're an experienced trader, they have it all for you. You'll also be able to earn interest on your crypto, so you can get some passive income. It's easy to start and you have full control over your assets. And why would you actually choose this platform now? You'll get to trade with the best, you'll find new opportunities, you can increase profitability and enjoy privacy and security for your assets. You can also maximize your profits with the leveraging that they have on this platform. And you'll also be able to trade when markets go up and down, respond quickly to changing market trends, and profit from both rising and falling prices. Go long and short on our secure and reliable platform. You can open a free account and start trading within minutes. It's so simple and easy to use. It's best in class platform, global markets. They offer 24/7 support and there's a ton of low fees. They're also mentioned quite a lot in the finance media side of things. You'll also be able to trade anytime, anywhere on the App Store and on the Google Play Store. They have mobile applications for their platform. So for their follower strategy in terms of copy trading, they have a ton of different details and information over here. So as you can see, copy the leading traders in 3 simple steps. So step number 1, you choose a trader. You can browse through their hundreds of different trading strategies that they have. You can review their performance and then choose the most suitable one for you. Step 2, you set the amount. Choose the amount you are willing to allocate into the selected strategy that you choose. And then step number 3, you just click follow. Start following and get the same returns as your favorite strategy. Follow multiple traders at the same time. So definitely overall in these 3 steps is very simple and easy to use, following someone else's trading strategy, and anyone can really get started right now. So their covesting copy trading module for followers actually allows platform users to browse through hundreds of trading strategies provided by other traders and automatically copy their trading activity. With covesting copy trading module, you can achieve the same returns as the leading traders on the platform. And then over here, they show some of the leading traders. As you see, you can follow them and just go along with the steps that they just mentioned and start making the same trades as them. Here's a quick overview of the top charts of traders that we see, their usernames and how their trades are looking like and their performance as well. So you can click on see all to see all the list of traders. In terms of making your own strategies for copy trading, over here you can see their covesting copy trading module is also for traders. So covesting copy trading module brings their results in front of the public and compete with other traders in a transparent environment. Every trader can monetize their own skills and earn a second income by receiving success fees from their followers. And the more followers you acquire, the more money you'll actually make from their profitable trading. So it's pretty cool. It's kind of like building your own following, say on social media. This platform allows you to actually build your own following of other traders who copy your strategies, and you can actually earn some money off of them. So why exactly would you want to use the covesting copy trading module? It's very easy to use, it's powerful, and it's overall reliable. So overall, both strategies, if you want to be a follower or actually make your own strategies, are really interesting, really simple to use, and very powerful and easily profitable as well. Now for margin trading, if we scroll down and look at some of the features and tools, they have some reliable, intuitive platform offers all the necessary tools to manage and execute orders and analyze market data. So there's a customizable platform layout, a fully customizable workspace, which includes intuitive visualization of market data and offers an extensive of trading tools. And that is not all that you can't get. Set up your perfect trading environment right away. So this is the customizable platform layout where you can literally customize how you want your trades to look and how the feel of your environment is going to look once you start trading. They have professional charts, place trades, manage orders, and work directly from their integrated charts. Second off, they ensure secure wallets, withdraw, deposit, and store your assets in your personal secure wallet. All assets are securely held in our offline storage system to protect users against any possible risk or threat. And they have multiple order types. So Primexbt offers multiple order types available in the order form option given to you, the necessary tools to execute your trading strategy, and provides increased flexibility on how you enter your trades exactly. exactly. And here is just a quick preview of how the trading platform will look. Very straightforward, very simple, and you can log in or register down below to get started. You'll also be able to earn interest on your cryptocurrencies. So as you can see over here, earn up to 14% on your crypto, enjoy high returns on most popular cryptocurrencies, deposit and start earning interest today. It just takes 3 simple steps. So join Primexbt, get an account set up, then you start staking it, and then finally you just get paid. For example, Ethereum, the APY yield is 1.5%, and then the term is pretty flexible, so you can start earning on any of these right now, and then you can also calculate your yield. They have rates for standard yield, advanced yield, premium, and elite right here, and then shows you all the calculations per day, all period, and then total amount, and then you can start earning. You select whatever coin you want. Currently it's USDT, Ethereum, or USDC, and you put in the amount and as well as the duration. They also have a ton of different contests for people and users to get involved in, so compete with other traders and get paid. You join Primexbt, and then second step, you achieve high returns, and then step 3, win real prizes right there, right? So pick a contest and outperform other traders. They have weekly battles, Primexbt NFT trading competition, and then another weekly battle for number 24. Shows you when the contest ends in. You can join and view and all the fun details over there. Then we can see virtual funds, real rewards over here. You can participate down below. Launch trading contests for your community, design, tools, costs, and marketing. So Primexbt offers a unique playground for crypto, NFT trading, and investing communities with over 10K active members/followers. And then you can contact them. Here's some more FAQs down below, but overall it's very easy and simple to get started in some of their contests and earn some crypto and money off of. And Primexbt, for you beginners and people really getting into the crypto space, they do something pretty cool. They have their own academy virtually online, and you can see you can learn how to trade cryptocurrencies through all their multiple different cryptocurrency courses. And they have that crypto show, a different show that they're doing, educating people about cryptocurrency and trading. As you can see, a ton of different episodes on YouTube. You can select all and see them all. They have a Primexbt platform guides, how to actually use their platform itself. Very useful information for new users on their platform. As you can see, some more YouTube videos according to those, and trading and crypto courses as well. Like I mentioned earlier, a ton of different educative informational courses on how to get started in cryptocurrency. Very useful stuff, very informative stuff. Definitely make sure to check out this page on the Primexbt website. Also, they do something really cool in terms of an affiliate program. So if you are looking to actually earn some money by promoting this project for global marketing agencies, you can see some more details about that. But essentially it's for different people who really want to get the Primexbt project out there through either publishing blogs or whatnot online, you know, different SEO opportunities, different advertisers, maybe social media influencers and whatnot. So they do have a ton of different opportunities over there. So say for example, publishers. So growing your online business does not have to be complicated. At Prime Ads, we offer a trusted affiliate tools and global marketplace and dedicated support, so you can focus on what you do best, creating quality content. So you can actually create quality content and support the Primexbt project through there by promoting their project as well. So for advertisers as well, we offer advertising technology, enabling you to drive more conversations and reward leading publishers for successfully promoting your brand. So if you successfully promote the Primexbt brand and you're an affiliate with them, they will reward you. So it's a great opportunity to really get their project, help them out. You know, they help you out by paying you out through affiliates. So very interesting stuff. You can start earning right away, you know, so just different awesome opportunities to getting paid, right? So you're definitely going to want to check this feature out. Very useful, you know, maybe get started using some affiliates, maybe if you're new or you've been doing it before. Very interesting and useful stuff to get into. Now let's take a look at their community. So if we take a look at their Twitter page, we can see that they're no joke. They have over 100,000 followers on Twitter. They use Bitcoin to margin trade crypto, gold, oil, indices, FX, and more. Copy the best traders and make these same returns. So this is the Primexbt Twitter page. You can download the app as they see on their banner, and going through their Twitter page, you can see the pin tweet. You know, they're just doing some different shout outs and different announcements, updates and advancements to the Primexbt app. So they're constantly updating their community with different announcements, right? So pretty cool stuff. You know, another leverage trade feature that came out, you know, so just showing off their milestones and whatnot, some little ads. So great stuff. If you want to stay up to date with this project, definitely make sure to go give them a follow on Twitter, get those notifications on. The links for those will also be in the description down below. And same case goes for their Facebook page, which is quite popping as well. Some different announcements and milestones and achievements that they just want to keep their community up to date with. So also make sure to check out their Facebook. They're doing some good stuff, so make sure you don't miss out on this. And last but not least, they do have their Telegram with over 11,000 members, which you guys can join and stay stay up to date with their community, be involved, make some connection through there and other different users of the platform, different strategies and traders that you can get in contact with and maybe even use their strategies and whatnot. So very cool opportunity. You're definitely not going to want to miss out on their Telegram. So that pretty much does it for the Primexbt project. This was a tutorial quickly on all the features and different trading opportunities that you get once you sign up and get involved in this project. And just a quick reminder that all the websites covered in this video will be in the link down in the description below, so make sure to go check them out over there. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a like, leave a comment down below about any questions you might have had about this project, subscribe to the ICO Investor channel so you can keep on getting some awesome content in the cryptocurrency space to help you on your journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.